We talked about respiratory alkalosis occurring because of overdose of a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. And we also know that pH maintenance is very crucial, 7.4 plus minus 0.5. Acidosis, alkalosis, both are very dangerous conditions. Recall that curve, bell-shaped curve of enzyme activity versus the pH. How sharply does it fall? So हमारी body भी pH को change नहीं होने देगी. There are lots of compensatory mechanisms. The three important players are number one, buffer, number two, lungs, number three, kidney. Now, in respiratory alkalosis, the primary defect is in the respiration, lungs. So, lungs cannot be expected to play any compensatory role. Kidneys do play. So, आज हम करने जा रहे हैं what are the compensatory mechanisms in respiratory alkalosis. उसको करने से पहले हमको किडनीज का थोड़ा सा रोल पता करना जरूरी है. Kidneys, they perform important role in renal generation of bicarbonate and reabsorption also. Let us see, we return to the same enzyme we discussed last time, an important enzyme having maximum turnover number, carbonic anhydrase causing generation of H2CO3 from carbon dioxide and water. And then H2CO3 is degraded to H plus and HCO3 bicarbonate. The same enzyme does it. Now next step, bicarbonate, okay, H plus is going into tubular lumen and bicarbonate goes to the extracellular fluid. So हमने क्या देखा था last time? Respiratory alkalosis. The primary defect was in the denominator. Denominator कम हो गया था. So उसका compensation क्या होगा? Numerator को भी correspondingly कम करना पड़ेगा. और numerator क्या था? HCO3 minus. So this is what happens. एडल तुम आके हेंडरसन हेसलबेक इक्वेशन लिख सकते हो. Sorry for the interruption. So बाइकार्बोनेट को भी कम करना जरूरी है. So we are going to see how kidneys do it. Now another thing, as H plus is coming into the tubular lumen, it plays another role also. Bicarbonate is filtered at the level of glomeruli. And then this bicarbonate combines with H plus, giving rise to H2CO3, again CO2, H2O, it is going into the tubular cell. This is the tubular cell, the distal convoluted tubule cell. So you can see there are two distinct mechanisms. The first one, it is generating HCO3 minus and pouring it into the extracellular fluid. And the second one is the filtered bicarbonate is reabsorbed. So हमारा अब पर्पस क्या था? द प्राइमरी डिफेक्ट वाज फॉल इन दिस. सो इसको भी फॉल करना, बाइकार्बोनेट को फॉल करना जरूरी था. सो दीज रीनल कॉम्पेंसेटरी मैकेनिज्म्स आर slowed down, as a result of which bicarbonate generation is hampered, becomes sluggish, and more importantly, bicarbonate absorption from the tubule is hampered. So the two processes, bicarbonate reclamation, bicarbonate reabsorption, ये दोनों अगर sluggish हो गए, the purpose will be achieved. Bicarbonate concentration will become less. So that is it. So that's it about it. Kidneys are playing important role. I am repeating. I'm just forgetting one point. चलो ठीक है. I think now you will be able to answer the question we asked last time. Kusumal breathing, but why acidosis here? And kidneys, as you can see here, are playing very important role. But please remember, this figure is oversimplistic explanation. Bicarbonate is not filtered alone, it is filtered along with sodium. Sodium bicarbonate. So please fill in those blanks yourself. Thank you so much.